Howdy from Land. This is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes in Bryan. I am standing in front of the Homeland. You've seen it in videos before. And the perfect thing about this particular house, it's still on promo. We have an amazing price for it that you can't get anywhere else in the state of Texas. And one cool thing too, is we have an amazing announcement on a floor plan. But I want to show you why this house is amazing and what you're getting in the amazing promo deal that you're getting. As you can see, so one of the things about our Fort Worth factory, you've got smart panel exterior, you've got that 5-year, limited 50-year warranty that comes with it. It's standard smart panel exterior house and nothing else other than that. And one thing that I do love about this particular factory is the fact that when they say it's a true 30 feet deep, it is a true 30 foot deep. You're not being shorted by anything. And because of that, you do have these 12-inch eaves, which allows the overhang on that house. So that way, just in case it rains, it's not hitting the sidewalls of your house. And speaking of rain, I love this recess entry. And in that way, just in case you don't have a covered porch, that you are still covered when you're trying to fumble your keys and trying to get in and not having to hurry up and rush. One thing about this factory too, you have the full 8.5 foot ceilings tall. It's really tall for someone like me because I'm short. So, but two real tall ceilings, of course, the vents, the ceiling, LED lights, full 1/2-inch sheetrock throughout this whole entire house. One thing I haven't talked about yet, but you have this house is extremely energy efficient. You've got those dual pane thermal pane windows, and later on this week we'll cover a video specifically about why that is important, why the windows are the most important thing to you when it comes to that electric bill that you have. And with this house, you're not going to have a high electric bill, and I love it. So it has all the nice amenities that you would expect in a home. You know, beautiful farmhouse sink with the hoop faucet. And of course, you have tons of storage in here. And you've got along with this wall, you actually have 2 banks of drawers as opposed to your traditional 2. So you got, again, talking about the features, you've got barn doors type features, and I love this pantry here. You take a look and see exactly how big it is. One of the other cool things that I love is that if you do have a deep freezer refrigerator, see that outlet right there? You can actually put one down because they cut these shelves, so that way you can remove them just in case you do have something like that. And we come over here to the master bedroom, really good sized master bedroom. You can actually put a king size bed in here. So that way you still have a lot of room, which is really nice about it. And then when we come over here to the master bathroom, as you see, China Lavies, everything about the house is name brand, which is really nice. So you're getting good quality product in the home. Nice walk-in shower with the new builds, and of course, with the house. I am selling this particular one, by the way. Still at promo price, but with builds, that shower right there, that half wall, it's now going to be a full glass wall. So that way, when you do get a build, you're not surprised when it's not with the half wall. And then like I said, we do have this promo price that's going on right now. If you got to act now, it's not going to last forever, but an amazing promo price that does include standard delivery, tying it down, and the AC. And of course, financing is available. We work with several different lenders to make sure that we find you the right deal for you. Make sure that it makes sense for you. As you see in the house here, there's vinyl throughout, no carpet in the house, which is really nice. So this particular one that we have it set up as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You do have the option of this particular room of being a second living area, or a den, I guess you could say. But the exciting thing that I was talking about earlier is that the fact that they have now announced this floor plan, the Homeland, the same size, this 54-footer, to make sure that it can be done as a 3-bedroom, true traditional 3-bedroom without a second living area. And the best part about it is, it's still going to be at the great, amazing promo price. But you do have to act now. So that is the really cool thing about that, the fact that you do have this now as a 3-bedroom, a traditional 3-bedroom, a 3-bedroom with a den, or the 4-bedroom as you see it today. But you do have to act now in regards to that. And just remember that I can deliver anywhere in the state of Texas. We'll make sure we'll take care of you. We will have the best price out there for you on any type of home, whether it be this promo house or any other house that we have to offer. We just want to make sure that we're going to give you the best bang for your buck, more home for your money, as we like to say here. But appreciate you taking the time watching this video. If you have any questions, just message me. You can give me a call, shoot me a text. Look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to earning your business. And that's the most important thing, is making sure that we're doing right by you and earning your business. And that way you're satisfied with the selection that you've made, not just with the house, but with the Palm Harbor homes here at Bryan. Look forward to hearing from all of y'all, and you have a fantastic day.